In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google password from Google account. So if you want to change your Google password at any time from your Google account, this is how you can do it. First, you want to make sure that you are already signing into your Google account on that browser. You want to search for myaccount.google.com. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description and then enter on this. This will take you to your Google account. At the left sidebar of your Google account, you'll see security. Click on security. And under security, you want to scroll down to how you sign into Google. Here you are going to see password. Click on password and you'll be asked to sign in into your Google account. If you have passkeys on your device, you'll be able to sign in using your passkeys. Sign in into your Google account. And on the next page, you'll be able to change your Google password. Your new password should be at least 8 characters. Enter your new password and click on change password. And you say sign in other devices even after changing your password. Click on change password and your password will be changed. So that is how to change Google password from Google account. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Also, if you do have any question, do make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. I hope to see you guys in my next video.